like 4 packages from Dot & Key last year, and recently I've also got to work with Maybelline. If everyone get paid for creating the content and making money out of it, so why not you and I? And that is what I'm doing in this video for you all. And honestly, it is so exciting that something which you absolutely love, you're getting paid for it. So in this video, I'll be telling you all how I got the brand collaboration, how you can also get it, which agency you have to reach out, who to follow, how to get the engagement on your profile, what is more important, followers or views. Everything we'll be talking about that in this video. And lastly, I'll be telling you how you can convert your barter collaboration into paid ones. And honestly, whatever I'll be sharing, it is coming from my experience. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travels with Sharma. If you're new here, I'm Gunjan. I make content around beauty and lifestyle, and that is what I also upload on my Instagram. So if you're anywhere interested in knowing what all I make, you can also follow me on my Instagram. So let's get started with this video. I already had made notes. Firstly, let's talk about what is brand collaboration. So brand collaboration is basically the idea where a brand sends their product to the influencer so that they could promote it. Now, it is between influencer and brand what type of collaboration they are doing, because that is on different basis. Mainly you get a free product on which you make an ad sort of a thing talking about it, either through a review or mainly just talking good about that stuff and just posting it. So a collaboration for a creator only changes when they also grew, like either through their audience or through their engagement. That is when we come to the idea of types of collaboration. So when you're just getting the free product, then it is a barter collaboration, which is company is giving you a product and you are giving them a video, which is like on barter basis. And in this category, you're not getting additional payment. Then comes the paid collaboration, where you get the free product and you're also getting paid for making the video on that particular product. So this usually happens when you have a good engagement. Basically, there is an audience who follows this particular influencer and who is very loyal to them. So there will be a certain percentage of audience who will eventually buy it, and for that they'll give you payment. Now comes another category, which is commission based or affiliate based, where the company will not directly pay you. They'll send you the product. They will only pay you the commission amount for which a person has placed an order through your link, the link that you have provided or the coupon that you have provided, on the basis of which if someone has purchased the product, you will get a commission for that. So this is the third type of collaboration. Now this also happens many times that big influencers who usually have 100 or 50k followers, above than that, they'll get a PR as a gift, where the company does not force them to make a video. They just send the product. If the person likes it, they either make the video or just post it in their story, and that's it. This is also another form. So this is what the brand collaboration is. Now comes the idea that how I got my first brand collaboration. So let me tell you, I had no idea that I was about to get the brand collaboration. Brand ने मुझे approach किया. I just said yes because it was my first time, and I feel like everyone gets excited because of a free product, because you don't have to pay it, you're just getting it, you can use it for yourself, you just have to make a video out of it, not a big deal, but you get to use a free product. It's such an exciting thought, and I think everyone, that is why I want to get involved into brand collaboration as well. Now, so when I got my first PR, it was in 2024, and I made a long form video on that, which was somewhere around 2-3 minutes. But honestly, that product was so freaking good. Like, I love it when I get a very nice product instead of a cheap quality product to promote. Let me tell you, my first 2 collaborations happened from my YouTube channel only, which is like an already set up profile. And then I got so excited that I was searching for how to get brand collaborations. So when I searched out, I got to know about certain agencies that work as a link between brand and a creator, and they directly send you the product once you fill out the form. So these were the agencies that I signed up for. I'll add up the name over here. So every form has its own criteria. Under certain form, it is written that you have to have 2000 plus followers, then only we'll send you the product. But I also believe if you don't have 2000 followers, just fill it out. If your page has like a very good engagement, like you can easily get 3-4 thousand views on your page, then a brand might send you the product even if you don't have 2000 followers. So this is what you can do, and I've added all the agencies name. You can check it out. You can follow on their Instagram, and they have their broadcast channel. Just follow it over there. They have WhatsApp channels. Just be updated over there, because they usually add up all their forms. And because of this, guys, you won't believe I've got such good brands. Like I've almost got like 4 packages from Dot & Key last year, 3 packages from Swiss Beauty. I worked with Foxtail. I've got my third PR as Garnier, which is also an amazing brand. I've got Lakme from them. And guess what? I also got to work with my favorite body wash brand, which was Dove. I almost got their 5 body washes. And recently I've also got to work with Maybelline. It was such an amazing experience, because as a creator, whenever you're making video, if you're not getting paid for it, but the barter collaboration also works in a basis of a reward. Like you are being rewarded for the content that you're making because somewhere brand has seen your video and that's why they have approached you for the collaboration. So it is basically important to have that presence on social media to let the brand know that you make certain video, and that is how you do it, by following all these agencies and all. I would always suggest you guys to not jump onto paid collaboration the moment you start making content, because first you need to add up content that gives amazing engagement. If you have content that has a very good engagement, there will be chances that you are going to get the paid collaboration. But firstly, if you're getting something on barter basis, stick it up. Use that product which you got on barter basis as a part of your portfolio. Make video on that, just forget about it, upload that video. But I would always say to start working on your videos. So now talking about the agencies, whenever you receive a product, you directly get all the guidelines about the scripting, what all you need to include in that video, what hooks that should be there. I will always say that follow all the criteria and rules that is provided by the agencies or even the brands, because that makes you be in their good books. And that is how I have also maintained my position, because agency will also consider you next time for the collaboration more. So your chances will get more higher to get better collaborations in the future. Let's talk about what is important: followers, engagement. Obviously both are important. When you have followers, it will make easier for the brands to find you. But when you have good views on your videos, your followers won't matter. Honestly, I'm telling you, when you have a nice views, the brand will literally approach you not on the barter basis but on paid basis. So your views will make you convert your barter deals into paid deals. And this is why I personally believe once you started engaging, your followers will automatically, naturally grow. So don't think about followers. I have also stopped thinking about my followers and subscribers, and that's why I don't really ask people to subscribe to my channel. Like there have been hardly 2-3 videos in which I have asked people to literally subscribe to my channel, because I want them to firstly enjoy my video. If they don't enjoy it, they won't subscribe it. I don't want it to be as a pressure to subscribe anyhow. Numbers matter, but it matters more when you have like a loyal audience who really wanna watch your video. That is where you get the engagement. So even on Instagram, when you feel like your followers are not increasing, make sure that your views are increasing. My Instagram does not have a very like highest engagement. I have certain sort of videos in which I have got 5,000 to 6,000 views only. In certain videos, I've only got 2,000 views. So it gets low and it also gets high. But right now we are in an era where we have so many tools. We have ChatGPT. You can use it for your script. You can ask ChatGPT to tell you the best artificial intelligence tool you can use to create a script for your video. You can use ChatGPT to ask for all the hooks that could be needed for your video. Literally, since the last 5 months, I've been using these tools and I have really seen the difference. I have literally used these tools for my brand collaboration to make the video very authentic, and so that the video does not come across as an ad, or if I'm selling certain sort of product, I want the video to be convincing for the audience as well, and that's why I use all these tools. Second thing, if you have, I think, above 1,000 followers, you can also use the trial reel feature of Instagram. That is so freaking good, guys. I have got views around 6-7,000 very easily because of that feature. So you can use it for yourself. That tool will also, because from that also you get to know that if your video really sucks or if your video is really good. That is how you can check, because trial reel feature firstly focus on non-followers, and if you feel like the views have increased, the engagement has gone very high, then you can post it on your page. Secondly, if you have certain influencers or creators that you personally like because of their content, start seeing what is the amazing part about their content. Like you can actually take notes from their content. You can try to make content like them, because I personally has done that and I have actually achieved something out of it very good. Because what really happens is, if one algorithm works and if you copy that algorithm, it will give you most out of it. Like if you are only having 2,000 views per reel, if you have followed certain algorithm like certain sound, certain text effect, or certain way of saying in the video, your views will definitely increase. Try all these tricks because they're going to help you. They have been very helpful for me in the past. Trust me, especially on my Instagram. Talking about the niche, just stick to your niche. I have been someone who made this mistake in the past by posting different sort of content. So I've not been particular to my niche. I like to vlog also. I like to shoot about food also. I like to shoot about makeup also. So I was very much confused. So now I'm sticking to only beauty and lifestyle, like getting ready in front of the camera, doing my makeup, showing tricks around makeup. So please stick to your niche, whichever it is, whether that is travel or making videos around food or making content around beauty and makeup and stuff like that. Just stick to your niche, because that has helped me a lot. It is because I was doing skincare and beauty both at the same time. I was only getting brands that are very good in the market in terms of the beauty and skincare such as Dot and Key is very good in terms of the skincare. I recently got Novology, which is so good. Secondly, in terms of the makeup, I've got Maybelline, Lakme, we've got Pilgrim. Like Swiss Beauty sent me like a very good, nice PR package, and that included all of their best makeup items. So please stick to your niche because it will also help brand to recognize that this is the right creator to promote my product. And guys, because competition is so much that you need to be different in this era. You have to create something different. You have to have something which only you can make. Like if you can do that, that is like a USP, because people will recognize you because of that particular thing. Like either your voice, either the way you do editing of your videos. You can also do that because I personally use text and sound effects to both. So you can also include that. I feel like I've shared so many tips that you can use. If you start using it today only, I think you started seeing result within a week or two only, and start posting regularly, I have to say. And just don't post anything. Firstly, whosoever say this now, post anything. No. Strategize each and every video of yours. Try building hook of every video and then post it. Trust me, that makes a huge difference. And I've personally seen it. So for starters, I will always recommend you to just go ahead with the barter collaboration. Use it for your profile and just post video on it, because you're getting free products and you are building your portfolio. You might not know that out of those 20 videos you have uploaded, two or three videos might blew up, and you might end up getting paid collaboration because of that freaking video. This is how you can convert your barter into paid, by using the barter product and making it a deal of a paid collaboration. So just make sure to remember this strategy. This is a very strong strategy because I've been working on it. I think I'm very close to it. When I say work with these agencies, I also mean because they give you paid, like sometimes they pay you just for uploading a story. I remember I posted this one story for Dove, even though I don't had many engagement, but I get a payout of 500 rupees, which for the starters is not bad because I'm just posting a story that brand has provided me. I'm not uploading a reel or anything. I was just getting paid 500 for that. That was my first ever paid collaboration. And now the scenario is that I have been approached by brands like Dr. Shades for the paid collaboration, Swiss Beauty for the paid collaboration, and there is this very famous skin clinic all over the India has also approached me for a collaboration. So I'm literally in talks with all of them, and you get to be in that position. Likewise, I am. And for that, I think you should follow all the ideas and strategies that I have told, especially working through ChatGPT and AI tools. It is high time that you start using it for your content. Now comes the part where I tell you that what kind of things that a brand will include whenever they want a collaboration. For a basic barter collaboration, they will either ask you for one reel and one Instagram story, or either it will be a one YouTube short and one Instagram story. That's it. They will never ask you to post 4 reels, 2 stories. That is not how brand collaboration on barter basis is. It will be on a very limited basis. Until unless it's a paid collaboration, they could also ask you for ad rights. They could also ask you to upload multiple stories, and they will also ask you to make one reel out of it and one YouTube short out of it. So it always depends on the kind of payout you're getting and if both the influencer and brand agree to the terms and conditions or not. Now, these are the things that I will ask you to avoid, which is begging brands to send their product to you. If you have nothing to offer, if you don't have engaging profile, if you don't have followers, you cannot really pitch the brand and expect them to send you the product. First, start building your profile. At least post daily for almost 5 days within a week and start seeing results. If not, stick to your niche as much as you can. Another thing to have an engaging profile is to just get connected with the audience. If they are commenting on anything, reply to them, help them, give them like a nice solution, which I always do on my YouTube. If you have noticed that whenever someone asks me anything, I instantly reply it to make sure that my viewers know that I am there to help them. In today's world, everyone looks towards a profile and say, what kind of solution are they providing to me? Because that is the only reason they will follow you. So if someone is like, they are providing a very exciting, entertaining content, that will be a reason to follow them. If someone is providing very nice skincare benefit sort of video, products for dry skin, products for oily skin, products for sensitive skin, then I will follow them. Like, there are so many influencers who give nice advice towards what kind of lipstick you should use, what kind of foundation should you wear, and how to make your makeup overall long lasting. So they are providing a solution to a problem which a person might be following. So through that only they have grown a community. And accordingly, they play around that content, they make it engaging more, so people will like it more whenever they watch something new coming from them. So you have to give them a reason to follow you as well. It's not like I'm only getting brand collaboration by signing certain forms. I have actually got mail from brands that is not from certain agencies, but they somehow got my number or my mail ID and they approached me. Like recently, I did a collaboration with Libas. They got me this outfit. It was literally out of nowhere. It was not through any sort of agency. Along with that, the collaboration that I got from Stage 929, it was also not by filling from. It was also not from filling any form. The brand literally came up to me, mailed me about it, and I just shared all my details to them. We've talked on it, and that is how it happened. So first 5 seconds are so freaking important that before working on your overall 20 to 50 seconds of video, start working on first 5 seconds of your video. If you can stop them in first 5 seconds, then only they can watch the next 15 to 20 seconds of your video. And that is where, because everyone's attention span has become so low due to these short form content, you have to make sure that your audience stays, not only stays, they follow you for the type of content you make. So yeah, these were the strategies that I follow personally for my Instagram and for my YouTube as well. And I have literally grown a community which is not so bad, and is a very decent amount. And I love my people for liking my content and the kind of experiment I also do with my shorts and everything. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, do make sure that you like this video first. Before subscribing, make sure that you like this video, because that is the way I get to know that you have enjoyed this video and somehow I helped you in growing your own community and helping you to get brand collaborations in the future. Because once you start getting brand collaboration, there's no going back. You're literally going to enjoy it. Trust me when I say that, because I personally enjoy it a lot. So yeah, do give it a thumbs up, comment down which has been your favorite part, or comment down anything that you want help in. I will reply to you in the comments only. And keep following me on my Instagram, because I'm making such an exciting content over there. Recently, since the past 2-3 months, I've been very active. Keep watching. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye.